Welcome to another episode on our channel, where tech meets expertise and solutions are just a minute away. Hey everyone, I'm Dan from West LA Computer Expert. If you've just got your hands on a new PC and are wondering about the next steps to make it truly yours, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to supercharge your new computer with one of the most essential tools for both work and play, Office 365. Let's kick things off by installing Office 365. This suite is not just about Word or Excel. It's your gateway to connecting and creating in this digital age. I'll walk you through every step, ensuring you know exactly what to do and how to make the most out of your Office tools. And what's a new PC without your personal email setup? Let's dive into setting up your email accounts in Outlook. Here in Outlook, we'll add all your email addresses. You might have one for work and another for personal use. After entering your email address, if Outlook doesn't automatically detect your server settings, I'll show you how to enter these manually. This includes choosing a POP or IMAP account and your incoming and outgoing server addresses plus SSL or TLS encryption, which ensure that you can send and receive email without any hitches. I will also ensure, in the case of a POP account, that your PST or data file is imported correctly. There. Once that's set, your emails will start to populate. Now, let's customize your experience further with signatures for each account and organized folders. I will make managing multiple email accounts seem effortless. Let's craft a signature that reflects your personality and organize your emails so everything is easy to find. But remember, setting up your email isn't just about technical steps. It's about making sure it fits your life perfectly. And there we go. Outlook is all set up with your email accounts, customized just for you. But if you ever need help, remember, I'm just a call or email away. Don't hesitate to drop by or give us a call. We're here to help you transition smoothly into your new digital space. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new content that could make your digital life a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.